Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, you guys, we're doing an unboxing, but it's really not like an unboxing just because honestly I've already opened up the box and I kind of know what's inside the box, but that's okay, you guys. But yeah, anyway, so doing an unboxing. I guess it is an unboxing to you guys because you don't know what I'm going to talk about, but I know, you know what I mean? Anyway, so enough with the chit chat. If you're not already subscribed, part of the Kwak fam, subscribe down below, click on the bell. That way you're notified when I post videos every Monday and Wednesday, and follow me on TikTok, Twitter, Instagram, all the good stuff. Links are down below, so let's get started. Now, sent me a nice product and I am super excited. It is called the Voce Viva. Pardon me if I am not pronouncing it correctly, but I am reading it off the card. It says Voce Viva, the new fragrance, Valentino. Here is what the card looks like. Voce Viva, like a voice, Voce Viva is personal, intimate, and leaves a trace. Celebrating every woman's voice. A colorful and sparkling opening of Italian bergamot. An opulent bouquet of orange blossom, absolute and golden gardenia accord. An unexpected crystal moss made addictive by the vanilla infusion. My voice, my strength. Available at Macy's, Sephora, Ulta, and Nordstrom. Valentino. Alright, so basically you can pick this up at Macy's, at Sephora, Ulta, and Nordstrom. So there's that. Here is the product, you guys. First of all, let me show you how the product came in. So it came in this little black box. Super chic. I mean, it's just a cardboard paper, but still super chic. And when you open it up, voila. That is what it looks like, you guys. I mean, I get it. It's just a cardboard box. But even just the experience of just opening this up and that nice gold and the card, it's just the red popping in your face from the black to bam, the red. It feels good. It feels luxurious. It feels nice. At least to me it does. So that's what it looks like. And when you take out this little section right here, that's where you get the perfume, you guys. Before I show you guys what the perfume looks like, let me take this card out and look at that, you guys. A nice little card you can carry around in your wallet. And if you like, even talk about it with your friends. Perfect little card. Here is the product you've been waiting for. Of course, the product I'm about to show you is not full size. It's a little sample size. But the perfume's in there and it smells beautiful. Well, I know it smells beautiful because I already tried it. So here it is, you guys. That little number. Let's go ahead and do a little spritz. So I'm gonna go ahead and spray it right on the card so you guys can see what it looks like. Well, I guess you're not really seeing anything, but you get what I'm saying. So one little spritz, and we're gonna kind of wave that off. And although I already know what it smells like, we're gonna smell it together on camera. So a little bit of that, and it smells like very luxe, very rich, not in a bad way. It's definitely not your like candy fruity scent. It smells mature, but not old. It smells, honestly, I do like this scent. It's like something you have to kind of grow on a little bit. I'm more of a more fruitier, like, you know, candy-like sweet smell girl. But rarely do I find scents that are not candy-like, that are not fruity, and I like them. And this is one of those rare occasions. It just smells very, look at me. I'm holding a Chanel bag. I'm holding my Hermes bag or whatever. You know what I mean? This smells really good. So I'm liking that. I do like that a lot. So the scent is nice and strong, but not overpowering. It's nice and elegant and rich, but not too old. It's not fruity, not like candy-like. So it's not like, you know, childish, but not like, you know, oh, that's what my grandma wears. Do you get what I'm saying? So I mean, it just kind of elevates your final look after like putting on your face makeup, putting on a nice, you know, outfit. You got your purse, you got your heels on, your sneakers on, whatever you want to wear. A little bit of that little spritz, a little bit of that little Voce Viva. Is that what it's called, right? Valentino Voce Viva. Put this on, top that off, and you just instantly elevated your look. So, let's see. How do I explain this? I guess, do I give you recommendations? If you like to have that look where it's kind of brings you from here, and that's already a high up level, and brings you up a notch to here, yeah, pick one up because it smells great. But remember, it's not that fruity candy smell. It's a more like elegant, mature smell. You get what I'm saying? So that's pretty much it, you guys. Today they sent me, not today, but you get what I'm saying. Like today I'm talking about the product they sent me, which is this right here, this little perfume, a sample size, but I'm loving it. And that is pretty much it, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little unboxing, reviews, all that little videos that I do. I do post every Monday and Wednesday, so come back Monday or Wednesday and check out a new video. But that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead and give it a like. Click that thumbs up button. That does help a lot. Comment down below other videos you want me to do. And yeah, that's it, you guys. I hope you guys have a wonderful day, a wonderful night, wherever you are. I'll talk to you next time. Bye, guys.